and welcome to a new video here on my channel. You guys know that I absolutely love doing faux freckles with makeup, but the thing about that is you just wipe it off at the end of the day and there you are with no freckles. And I really love the look on me with fake freckles. I think it really suits me, and I think it's really cute. I love freckles. I don't want people to get offended that do have freckles naturally, because this is just something that I adore, you know? And I really don't want you guys to take this the wrong way, but I hope that the most of you guys won't take this the wrong way. Alright, so step one is actually a step that you don't really have to do, but I'm going to do it just because I want a real clean slate and I want the fake tan to really sit on my face. So I'm going to take away some of the peach fuzz that I have on my face. And how do I do that? I shave my face. And if you guys have not heard of this method before, check it out. Really, I know that a lot of beauty YouTubers have videos on it. A lot of people do it. It's not a thing that you need to do. I rarely do this. I think I've done it like maybe 3 times in my entire lifetime just because I wanted to try it. But for this, I think that it could be better, so I'm going to do it. So what I do, I'm just gonna take a little eyebrow eraser like this and take away the peach fuzz like right here and also a little bit right here. Although, a big disclaimer is, if you are very young, if you have never done this, then please do not go and get a razor from somewhere and just start shaving your face. It's not a good idea. Go check out some videos on it. I'm not gonna go through it today, but yeah, I'm just gonna, okay? Don't shave your face without knowing how to do it. Okay, good. And now for step 2, I'm going to go in with some of the Pixie Glow Tonic. This is just to get my face super clean. Alright, there we go. And now I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way. And now for the fake tan. I wanted to show both of these because this one is actually my absolute favorite, but it is only available in the Nordics. At least I think, which sucks. But I am today going to show this one because it is my, because it is my second favorite, and also it gets a little bit darker than the other one. So today, excuse me. Oh my god, stop. No one has texted me the entire day, and now when I'm filming, of course, people are texting me. Put a few pumps. You know what, let's just go with 1 pump, and I'm just going to let this be a little bit more liquidy. After a while, the bubbles like kind of bursts and it becomes more like a liquid. So I'm just gonna wait for that. And for those of you that have seen me do my fake freckles, that I have a video on that I can show up here. Also, I have one on Instagram if you guys are interested. But I always do it with my stippling stippling brush from Real Techniques. This is how it looks, and it's the absolute best brush for fake freckles. I love it so much. Alright, now it is at least a little bit more liquidy and not as bubbly. We are just gonna get started. I'm just gonna take my stippling brush and lightly coat the bristles. And now I'm just gonna hold it like this and hit this, and then the leftover fake tan will go from the bristles to my face, and it will look really cool, I hope. Also, a disclaimer, be sure to not be in an area where you can't wipe everything off, because right now my entire desk is like small dots of fake tan. But it's fine, it's fine. I'm just gonna wipe it off when I'm done. I want a little bit more right here. Okay, I think I am happy with the result. So the excess on my brush, I'm just going to lightly put to contour. I don't know if you guys have done this before, if you fake tan. When I do, I always like try and contour with the fake tan on my face, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna lightly take the brush right here to contour. And also on the sides of my forehead, but just lightly. And also a little bit right here. I have a small amount left right here, so I'm just gonna take a eyeliner brush and create some bigger freckles. I am going to let this develop for the entire day. It is now 1 o'clock, so I will wait for 4 to 8 hours this should develop. So well, let's see each other like at 8 or 9. Good morning, everybody. So I have now had this on for a little bit longer than I was expecting. I guess I've had it on for like 20 hours now. I hope that doesn't fuck up my face. But yes, I just woke up. It is the next day and this is how it looks right now. I have not washed my face, which is not good. But I thought that we could go in with some toner and we will see how much will last on my skin. But I'm just gonna take some toner and I'm just gonna lightly, I'm not gonna rub it or anything, I'm just lightly going to take off the excess. Okay, I think that all of the fake tan is now gone. The excess, I mean. I want to be honest with you guys, it is kind of different seeing myself like this. But I do think it looks really cute. I think this could be really cute. I feel really cute. Okay, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys will probably see on my Instagram when I do like, I don't know, I do my brows and put on a little bit of glow and you guys can see how it looks then also. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And I hope that we will see each other in the next video.